Hey guys, and welcome. So if you're hunting around the settings looking for the way to change your or reset your Cash App password, there's a quick heads up. Cash App actually doesn't use passwords to log in. Instead, they protect your account using one-time sign-in codes and a personal PIN. So I'll show you exactly how to log in securely and reset your transaction PIN step by step. Right, so because Cash App keeps things ultra secure to prevent hacking, they've completely done away with traditional passwords. So to log into your account on any device, you just simply enter the phone number or email address associated with it. Now, Cash App will instantly send a secure 6-digit code for sign-in to your text or inbox. Copy that code, paste it into the app, and you're in. If you aren't getting the code, just double check that you're looking at the right email, or maybe check the spam folder and maybe change your connection to cellular and try again. And now, what if you want to reset your cash PIN? So let me just have this on your screen. On the screen, there you go. So this is the 4-digit code you use to authorize payments, and it basically acts as your main password. To change it, tap your profile icon in the top right corner, scroll down and choose security and privacy right here. After that, if you know your current PIN and just want to update it, just change the PIN, just update it. Then if you completely forgot your code, tap forgot cash PIN at the bottom. Cash App will send you a text or email as a verification and will give you the code. You enter that code, type in the last 4 digits of your SSN if prompted, and you'll be able to create a brand new PIN immediately. That's all there is to it. Enjoy, guys, if you like our videos. If you have any requests as well, type them in the comment section, and thank you for watching.